Let's start the class. Are you ready, sir? Which question you are doing right now?
Theorem 9.7 very much important.
That 9.7 started. 9.7 solution you need.
No, yeah.
You have, then practice this question 2 times. Okay. Try this question out. Practice the question. We'll start. Okay. Let's start the session. First, your questions, beta. This question you practice this theorem. How much? Which point? Separated by an arc at the center is double. This is a very important question, and this question may come in your examination. So you must do it nicely. So starting the session for application of derivatives, please kindly check this session, check the questions here. The first was, at what point of the ellipse does the ordinate decreases at the same rate as the abscissa increases? This question already we have solved. So we are going to go for the next question for today, because some of the questions were very Shivaranjani. Good evening, beta. Application part we are doing. Most probably maximum minima I will start. This question, please kindly check. Go for this question and try to solve this question. The question is very simple. Try to arrange the question content and solve the question. This is not for 1 mark, 2 mark. I think this is for more marks. 5 mark, I guess. Can you go for solving the question? The area of expanding rectangle is increasing at the rate of this. The length of the rectangle is always equal to square of its breadth. At what rate the length is increasing at the instant when breadth is 4.5? This is a very good question. Please kindly go for the step question. This questions can be coming for the MCQs, and these questions can be coming for what you call for 2 to 3 marks. 3 marks questions, it can disturb you. Okay, so solve the question first. Try and understand what they're asking in the question. What they're telling that the area of an expanding rectangle is increasing. So one expanding rectangle is there. Okay. And Kiran. Okay. So now look here. The area of expanding rectangle is increasing. So this is rectangle, and this rectangle is expanding. So its area is increasing. So area increment of rectangle is at a rate of 48 centimeter square per second. Understood? 48 centimeter square per second. The length of the rectangle is always equal to square of its breadth. So length of the rectangle is square of the breadth. So if length of the rectangle is x, then breadth will be y square. So x is equal to y square they have given. Understood now? So length of the rectangle is a square of its breadth. This is the condition given. Okay. Now what is the next part? You can join on online, and please start joining the class today. Morning I had fever, so I was unable to start the class. I was half day fully in sleep. Just now got some energies and I'm starting my class. Now look here, start solving the questions. Now look here, what is the next part? At what rate the length is increasing at an instant when breadth is this much? So at what rate length is increasing when the breadth is this much? Come on, try this question. Come on, try. Shivaranjani, did you got the answer? Come on, check and solve the question better and get the answer, please. Check what is the answer here. So now look at, when somebody will be giving you this question, how you are going to handle the question and solve the question. That's the most important part. So here, when length is equal to, so when length and breadth is given, got it? So here length x is equal to y square. This is exactly the note. Length x is equal to y square is given to you. Now how you are going to proceed? You know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area of rectangle is equal to x into y. Okay, but what is y? You need to check here that x is equal to, in the question itself it is written that length is a square of the breadth. Okay, so length is a square of the breadth, so y will be equal to root under x. So here a is equal to x into root under x. So what it will become? A is equal to x into, so you can directly write this part as x to the power, here it is 1 and this is 1 by 2. So what it will become? X to the power 3 by 2. Once you have written like this, now you need to differentiate it with respect to x. Okay. So once you are differentiating it, dA by dx, it will become 3 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. This is the differentiation with respect to x. This is the differentiation with respect to x. Understood? So once you are differentiating it with respect to x, what next you can do here is, just this is coming as dx by dt. Here you have to write dx by dt. Till here work is over. Now what is the next work? Your next work is dA by dt value is given as 48. Just substitute here dA by dx value as 48. So here 48 is equal to 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 will become root under x dx by dt. Now you check here what they have given. They told here one very simple thing which you need to listen very carefully, that at what rate the length is increasing at the instant when breadth is 4.5. So that means very carefully after delivering till here, you have to remove x and put y, because here the rate of change of the rate of change of x will decide the value for the x. So here x is already, we know that x they have given very clearly, they have given x value. They told that x is equal to y square, correct? So what will be root under x? So if x, since x is equal to y square, then root under x will be what? Y square root under, so that will be equal to y. So here 48 is equal to 3 by 2 into y value, because breadth value have given as 4.5. So here it will become 4.5 dx by dt. They told the rate of change of x. Understood? Clearly understand. The rate of change of x is dx by dt. So here just now solving section is only left. We have to solve this one. Understood? So now here we are going to shift it this side. So it will become 48 into 2 by 3 into 4.5 is equal to dx by dt. So the moment this will go, 20 will come, 5, 9, 45, 5, 4, 20, 9. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9. Understood not? So dx by dt will come how much? Dx by dt is equal to 64 by 9. Rate of change. I rest my case. This is exactly the way, 64 by 9. So what is the rate of change coming? 64 by 9 centimeter per second. This is the rate of change of length. So length is increasing with this rate. Today, why most of the students are sleeping in home? None of them are joining the session. Seriously, I punch them if they will do like this. Come on, join the session as fast as possible. Darunesh, Shivaranjani, Mehan. Okay, Mehan. Informing the group, Mehan, to join as fast as possible. Republic Day means we will not study now. Shivatsan, good evening, beta. So inform everyone, because we are going with some of the most important questions we are discussing, and the pattern for solving the question is very, very important. Okay, we'll go with that. Can you show me here? Super. With all the 3 diagrams you have done now. Very clever. Solved for only one and served for all the remaining 3. But Pakka intelligent person. But yes, it is going to work for all the three. Okay. But here center is not written. Center is not here, beta. Center will be here only. Check that note where it is shown. Okay, see, this is exactly the pattern. The camera is getting little hazy. Yes, it will be center, na? Hey, where you did center? The diagram will be wrong. They'll cut marks. Don't do like that. So little bit the camera is hazy. Don't worry, it will dry up soon. So now I'll go for the next question, please. Are you ready for the next question, children? Did you understood? See, with peace, you can solve a different type of difficult type of questions also. You'll be able to handle. For that, you have to have that stamina. Okay, fine. I have to solve this question. Mentally stabilize and then solve the question. And your next question is this one. Go for it. X and Y are the sides of a square. Oh, X and Y are the sides of two squares. Okay, come on, start solving this question, Peter. X and Y are the sides of two squares. So definitely here two different squares are there. Square 1 and square 2. We'll solve like this. Look here. So X and Y are the two squares. Square 1 and square 2. So for square 1 side is X. For square 2 side is Y. Okay. Now what they're telling that what is the relation between them given is y is equal to x minus x square. Find the rate of change of area of second square with respect to area of first square. I will not do anything. Try this. Try this out and tell me what is the rate of change coming here for changing first one with respect to the second one with respect to the first one. So that means area of change for second one with respect to the first one is needed. Come on, go for it. Come on, try the question, please. I'll solve, but first you try. I'll solve the question, but first you need to approach the question and try solving the question. Come on, go for it, please. How many of you are finding it easy or how many of you are finding it difficult to handle? Come on, say. The camera is a little bit hazy. Yeah, it's little foggy. It will be out better. Just give some time. It will be gone. Can I solve? Is it done? Fine, I think I only have to solve the question. See, very simple technique is needed here. First, you have to find the area of the first square. Try to find the area of the first square. Camera is foggy because of one reason, and that is rain is there now. So little moisture is captured by the camera. So if it is on means for some time it will be like that. After that, the fogginess will go better. Don't worry about it. I'm in corner, so corner is visible. Okay, so y is equal to x minus x square is there. This will become equation number 1. Okay, now what they're telling area for first square. So if we find the area of the first square with respect to what? With respect to time only we are going to do, or with respect to x? We will do with respect to x. Area for first square. So what will be area for first square? The area for first square with respect to x, with respect to side, is d of dx. So what it will become? The area for this one will become 2x. Done. Now this is for first one. Now we are getting the area for the first square. Area for first square A1, area for second square is A2. So area for first square is coming as A. Now we are going to find area for second square. Now beta, what we are going to do here is area for second square. Again we are going to differentiate it with respect to x, because here y square will come. Okay, differentiation of y square. Okay, so now what we are going to do, because area of the square is side square. Understood? Yes, it's foggy because of moisture. It will go, don't worry, have trust. It will go because it is now very much controlled because of continuous rain. Now the fogginess is there, it is going. Just it will go, don't worry. Now use equation 1. When you are using equation 1, x minus x square will go there. So here it will become d of a2 by dx is equal to d of y value is what beta? X minus x square whole square dx. So I just used equation 1. What was the equation 1 connection given? The equation 1 connection given was y is equal to x minus x square was there. Okay, so this was given, the connectivity between the two squares. How we have connected the two square? Y is equal to x minus x square we have generated, and that is exactly given in the question. Understood? So now we are going to put this there, and now we are going to differentiate it. So what it is exactly coming here is, first the chain rule we will apply. How to apply chain rule? X minus x square 2. Now with same thing we will differentiate. What we have divided, that we are going to multiply. Story over. It will become 2x minus x square into differentiation of this part will become 1 minus 2x. That's it. Understood? Once you have written till here, this is area for second square. Now they are telling that what is the area of second one with respect to the first one. Ah, so nice. But it is visible or not, you tell me. Done, Ray? This part question you are doing? Okay, do this question. This fourth one. The area of the triangle, two sides of which are this, and the perimeter. Perimeter is 42 now.
You have to find that.
Third side. First find the third side. After that only. Okay. Is it now visible or not? It's still coming foggy only. Before going means it will create problem. After that it will go like that. This there. Anyone is there? Yes, sir. Please kindly come in. You are alone or Tanish also came? Come on, solve this question. Camera. Oh, you came. How are you, boss? How are you now? Good. Live stream. Bye bye. No, 12th. This is 9th, that is 12th. And online also 12th. Yeah, beta. Bye bye. That performance was very good. Now look here, dA2 by dx. See here, what is the question given? X and Y are two sides of square, two squares. So X and Y taken, understood? And they have given this relation. Now, first I differentiated first area. After that, I differentiated second area. In second area, I substituted Y value in terms of X. Understood? So this differentiation came. Now, what we need to do? We need to find, they told in the last part of the question, if you see, what they told, find the rate of change of area of second square with respect to the area of first square. So that means dA1 by dx, dA2, sorry, second square with respect to first one by dx. So dx and dx will get cancelled. Now here, what is the second area? Second area is this one, 2x minus x square, and then 1 minus 2x. And then first area is what? First area is 2x. So first area part is coming as what? 2x Second area part is this one. So we will substitute there down 2x. 2 and 2 will get cancel. Now what will come? X we will take out. So it will become 1 minus x and 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x by x. So this and this will get cancelled. So 1 minus 2x minus x plus 2x square. So how much it will become? 2x square minus 3x plus 1, and this will become the answer. That's it. I hope you might have understood this one. Yeah, I can understand the fogginess is increased, but is it visible or not? Can you tell me, beta? Good evening, Naveen. This is very important questions I'm solving, Naveen. Camera on. See, now little fog is left. It will go soon. The center part only fog is coming on. Can you solve the next question, please? Come on, check this one out, beta. Hmm. Done. Shall we go for the next one, beta? Very good. Hey. I am going to ask one question from you. S minus A, S minus B. First, you have to find the third side. Same perimeter. Very good. Super. Nice. Correct. Go for the next question. Okay. We'll go for the next question. I hope I have given more time to this question. Now we'll go for the next question. And your next question is this one. This is a long 5-mark question. Please handle this question. All India 2017 question. You must solve this question. I'm giving you time to read it. I'm giving you time to read. Please kindly solve this question. See, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at a rate of this. All questions now, they have a common setup. They have a common way of procedure of the question. The length is decreasing. How we are going to solve it? Can you solve? Dx by dt is coming as minus 5 centimeter. Next question, solve that, beta. And the width is increasing. So dy by dt is equal to dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute is there. Okay. When x is equal to 8 and y is equal to, so x is equal to 8, y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change, first perimeter and then area of rectangle. This is a super simple question, beta. Try this question out. You can be able to solve it. So area is equal to perimeter is what? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Understood? So perimeter is equal to 2 if the rectangle length is taken as x and breadth is taken as y. Then how you are going to proceed? 2L plus B. So here perimeter will be equal to 2x plus 2y. So if you differentiate, then dp by dt is equal to 2 dx by dt and then here 2 dy by dt. Then directly you can write the answer dp by dt is equal to 2 x value is minus 5 and here 2y value is 4. So it is coming as minus 10 plus 8 minus 2 centimeter per second. So definitely, sorry, centimeter per minute. So that means perimeter is decreasing. Perimeter is decreasing. Absolutely correct, Mehan. Perimeter is decreasing here. Perimeter is decreasing here. Is it done? Oh, unit conversion is there, that part. Okay. Hmm. Okay, unit conversion will come when? See, Mehan, you need to understand that when we will see that fog is now going, you understand one thing. See, the thing here is, see, listen one thing. The most important thing is Kishore. Good evening, beta. Kishore will join us. See, thank you for joining the session, Kishore. Little fog is there in the camera front part now because of heat. It is going. It will take some time to go. Now look here, beta. We'll go for the second part. Area. I think per area also you'll be able to find out. I'm leaving this question second part. We are going to go for some very important questions. This is NCERT question, and this question is very hot. And here you need to understand this type question will come for case study. Okay, now what we are expecting here is when they will be asking this type of questions, you might have seen a tank question they are giving, cylinder question they are giving, correct na? Like a leak is coming at a rate of this, water is coming out, like that they are asking questions now. So this is exactly some of the part that is going to trouble you. Got it? So we will start solving these type of typical questions so that we can get some idea about it. I hope you might have understood here. So let's start the session, please. Now look here, beta. How and all we are going to how and all we are going to do this. Just okay, children, can you tell me, are you able to read the lines? Are you able to read the lines? Online children, is it readable? Will you be able to read the question? Can you guide me that you are able to read the question? Sand is pouring from a pipe at a rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So here 12 centimeter cube per second. So the movement, okay, now look here, beta. I'll tell you, I'll guide you how and all you are going to solve this question. Here the most important part given you, which is a road map for you, is 12 centimeter cube per second. So when you are talking about 12 centimeter cube per second, what actually this is? Centimeter cube per second means they are asking rate of change of volume because 12 centimeter cube per second. Mehan, here look very nicely, beta. Whenever centimeter cube per second means they are not dealing with any other quantity, they are dealing with volume. Understood? So they give rate of change of volume. Understood? So that means what? Something is dropping this sand, something is dropping this sand, and the sand is exactly taking the shape of a cone. And what is the rate of taking the shape of a cone? 12 centimeter cube per second is the rate with which it is exactly taking the shape of a cone. Did you understood here? After that, the filling sand form a cone in the ground in such a way that height of the sand is always 1/6 of the radius. So height is 1/6 of radius. This is the second clue given. Understood? So what is the second clue? The height is 1/6 of radius. Which question you are solving? Okay. The height is 1/6 of radius. So the moment you have done the height is 1/6 of radius, fine. So now radius will be taken as r and height will be taken as h. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? So that means you have to substitute radius. You need to think in your brain like in the entire slot you have to write only height. So your question will now totally focus towards height. You have to eliminate radius because here two variables are there. Height is h and radius is r. If we will carry both of them means it is a problem. Understood? So what is the volume of cone? The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This becomes the volume of cone. So the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now beta r can be written as 6h. Correct? So shall we remove this r? If we remove this r means the entire slot will exactly get converted into the terms of height. Correct? So how much it will become? Here it will become what? Pi into 6h whole square into h by 3 beta. Then how much it will be? 36. 36 pi by 3 into h cube. That is volume. That is volume. So here this and this will get cancelled. Volume is coming as how much beta? Volume is coming as 12 pi h cube. You see, from the beginning we are very much clear that we don't need radius. Understood not? So if in question now, like case study, how they will ask? Case study, first they will ask height, then they will ask radius. That's the difference. Understood not? In case studies, 2-3 questions they have to give now. First they will ask what is the change in height. Understood not? What they asked? Okay, what is the rate of change in height? After that, what they will ask? What is the rate of change of radius? And after that, what they will ask? Okay, what can be the change in the surface area? So 3 questions all set. Correct now? And if the sand is taking this thing, that thing means change will be there. Understood? So set up your mind that like this only. Okay, height ask like this. Now if rate of change of radius they will ask now, from here only we will do. We will not go again in volume and solve the question. I will show you how to do it. Understood? Now look here. This much came now. Now what we are going to do? dv by dt is equal to 12 pi into 3h square dh by dt. So now here dv by dt is given how much beta? 12. So 12 is equal to 12 pi. 12 into 3 how much is coming? 36 pi h square. What is h? That time they are telling height is 4. So it is coming as 4 square. 12 3s are 36 pi 4 square dh by dt. Now here it will become 12 by 36 pi into 16 is equal to dh by dt. 12 3s are 36. Correct? So here how much it is coming? dh by dt is equal to 16 3s are 48. 1 by 48 by dh height. So centimeter per second. Understood? Now if they will ask from here, radius, what is the rate of, ma'am, answer is not visible. Can you check better now? Oh, here if I will enhance this means If I'm stopping, this means now the fog is concentrated to only one corner, beta, last part only. Now the fog disappeared, only one last corner. Where I wrote the mean formula, there only it is coming. Only. Now look here, this section only fog is there. Rest of the part fog went. Yes, it is visible. Only this section fog is there. Now I'll beat, no problem. Kishore, can you check now, beta? You understood, Nare? Now, after this, if they will ask that rate of change of radius, then what you will do? See, this connection is the radius is this much. So, R is equal to 6H. So, we will write dr by dt is equal to 6 dh by dt. Direct we will write here 6 into 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. It will become 1 by 8 pi. For radius, it will become 1 by 8 pi centimeter per second. See, two question answers directly we solved. Two question answers directly we solved in a very simple mode. Which one? 90, 30, 30. But here, na, this 30, 30 will take out 130. Check how to do it. This 30, 30 will take out 130. And this 90 and 30 is there. Na? 90 means 3 into 30 into 30. This will take out 130. So 30 into 30 into root. So 900 root 3. Super. Very good. So this is exactly going to be the answer. Now you check, is it visible or not? I think the fog is now disappearing fast. Magic happened fast, remove. Is it done, beta? Kishore, check this one out, beta. We'll go for next question. NCRT ladder question came 2 to 3 times in CBSE lifetime. After that, man standing, that question came many times. Water tank question came. Those 3 questions I will not leave for rate measures. Based on that, case studies are coming. So now, okay, na beta, that's what. So this 3 question, na, I will explain very nicely, and we will do one more time that questions. So if any case study will be coming relative to that part, ellipse question also we have done. So mostly ellipse or what you call cone question, or in your sample set you are seeing that type question only, na? So they will come. Sample set you are seeing that type questions or not? Like that only will be coming 2 to 3 questions connected to that part. Can we go for next part, beta? Is it done? With this, na beta, they can ask surface area also. Understood not? So at the time when it will be increasing, height is coming as they will ask radius and height. For that moment, na, they will give you that. If height is this much and radius is this much, what is the change in the slant height? Understood? The rate of change of slant height also they can give. Got it? They will give you prior question part in that question, and then they will ask. Okay, if height is 3 meter, if height is 4 meter, and this part is 3 meter, then what is the rate of change of slant height? Understood not? So what is the slant height? If rate of change of slant height is dl by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second, it is given. Now solve this question. What will be L at that moment? They will ask like that question. Okay, you know that slant height will be equal to root under h square plus r square. Like that situation, you need to solve this part. Yes, better see the rise falling, the sand rise. They will change the words. They will change the words, but the core part of the question, na Kishore, that remains the same. So we must understand that CBSE will not do a very big transformation in the question. They will do only small changes, beta. And just like I told you, now maximum what they will ask: rate of change of radius they will ask, rate of change of height they will ask, slant height they will ask, rate of change of slant height they will ask, or surface area change they will ask. So maximum 4 questions will be comprising of that. But yes, what they will do is they will love to twist the question. Here, if anybody will not be able to crack it, means you will be stuck in the question paper. Understood? Meaning is very simple. Correct now? Height is 1/6 of radius. Then totally you have to devote to height. And after that, last part we went to radius and solve. Now we will go for the next question. Come on, try this question. This question is the ladder question, and I don't know, my gut feeling is telling this type of questions coming from MCQ is a very simple technique this year. This year the question paper will be damn lengthy, beta. You remember this part. This year the question paper will be damn lengthy and you need to be focusing into the question paper. So question paper will be damn lengthy and you need to focus. Chalo, we'll start ladder question. Ladder question is also one of the most unwanted question here. So now look here, a ladder is exactly how much meter long, beta? Is leaning against a wall. So one wall we are going to generate, ladder we are going to generate. Akka neitike varliya. Now look here, this is the ladder. So ladder is 5 meter long. The length of the ladder is 5 meter. Okay. So we'll set the everything and then we will solve. Leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Now this bottom A is pulled along the ground. Now the ladder will take shape like this. Okay. So length of the ladder remains the same. Ladder is just slided. Understood? The ladder, because we pushed the leg, so ladder got slided. Understood? So once the ladder got slided, I think now the fogginess is totally disappeared. Okay. So here what is there? The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at a rate of this. So beta, what is changing? If this is x, so this is changing. dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is? So when x is equal to 4 meter, you have to find the height changing. Let the height be taken as y. Understood? So you have to find dy by dt. What is dy by dt? When the foot of the, yes, when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Will you be able to solve the question? Try and solve the question, beta. Here only one work will be there. This is exactly what? This part is, if I will take this C, so we'll say triangle ACB is right angled at C. Okay. So triangle ABC, ACB is right angled at C. You need to understand. Triangle ACB is right angled at C, and then beta we will use Pythagoras theorem, because we can use Pythagoras theorem now. So using Pythagoras theorem, beta, when we will use Pythagoras theorem, then this will become hypotenuse. So AB square will be equal to BC square plus AC square. So this will become 5 square is equal to x square plus y square. Story over here only, because now you are able to solve this question, beta. In class, many times I taught this question. Now if you differentiate with respect to time, what will happen? This part will become differentiation of 25 with respect to time t is equal to differentiation of x square with respect to time t plus differentiation of y square with respect to time t. So here it will become 0, and this part will become what, beta? This part will be coming as 2x dx by dt, and here it will become 2y dy by dt. So now beta, x and y value they told, x they have given, dx by dt is increasing. So here it will become 2 into 4 into 2, because x value is 4, dx by dt is 2, and this part is coming as 0, and here it is 2y dy by dt. Sham, till where you have solved it? Can you show me? Not coming. Wait, I'll come and solve. So now look here, beta. This question now, here see, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, because length will not change. Okay. When x part will be coming as 4, here one work we have to do. Now this is coming as, if you will shift this one this side, it will become minus 2y dy by dt is equal to 2 into 4 into 2. So this and this will get cancelled. So dy by dt is coming as what? Dy by dt is equal to minus 4 to the 8 by y. Understood? 4 to the 8 by y. But beta y value we have to take out. So using Pythagoras theorem, at x is equal to 4, y will be what? So using Pythagoras theorem, since because the ladder height is not going to change, the height of the ladder is y 5 square, and here it is 4 square plus y square. So 25 minus 16 is equal to y square. Take root on both sides. Y is coming as 3. So therefore substitute this in equation 1. We can use this as equation 1. So here we are using equation 1 and this is equation 2. So here substituting in equation 2. In equation 2 we are substituting. So dy by dt is equal to minus 8 by 3. The rate of change of height is this much centimeter per second. And this is decreasing. Decreasing means the height is decreasing. As the ladder is going away, the height is decreasing. This is the one most important part. So as the height is increasing, the ladder is pushing away better. This is the part we everybody has to solve. Okay. Fine. We'll solve. Yes. So this question also you are able to solve. Which question, Beta? Substitution here again you see 6 3s are 18. So here now 6 into 6 into 6 into extra fitting 3. Correct? How many 6? 3 6. 4 6 will come. Then 2 6 will come out. So 6 into 6 will come out root 3. 36 root.
But that is wrong.
Then that means you have done something wrong.
No.
They're asking what first check.
Yeah.
Oh, you did wrong.
Wait.
Here it is written as 12, 17, 25. What you wrote? 12, 12, 12. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30. So all the three sides will not be equal for isosceles triangle. Two sides only equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides equal. If you will write three sides equal means how they will give you marks? They will give you motte, ostrich egg only they will give. This question done na beta? Everyone, this question done beta. We'll go for the next question. The next question is this one. See, this is another question. I suggest you people to use a similar triangle concept for solving this question. They can relate it with 2-3 concepts and solve. You need to be very careful for solving this question. The two different questions are there where you need to use your concept very nicely. This is one question. Another question is again water dropping question. Water dropping question is very hot for this year. Case study related questions may come. So you need to be very careful and solve the question very nicely. Now look at it. A man is this much tall. I think I taught this question 2 to 3 times. Correct now? This is a very much awaited questions for solving. A man this much tall walk at a rate of this much away from a lamp. So first this is a lamp. The man height is how much? The man height is 1.6 meter. Understood. And what is the height of lamp? Height of lamp is 8 meter. Got it? So we'll write here A, B, C, D. This is perpendicular. Okay. Find the rate at which the shadow is increasing at a rate when which the tip of the shadow is moving away from the pole. So 100% this rate change they are asking. Correct now? So first we will tell that we have to create a relativity. Relativity here means ki dx means first we need to understand that they have given the height, correct? And this is perpendicular and this is perpendicular. Can I write it as E? Okay. Now can I make these two triangle first similar? Understood. So this two triangle, how we are going to make it similar? In triangle ABC, ABD and triangle ECD. First, angle ABD is equal to angle ECD is equal to 90 degree because both man and pole is standing perpendicular to the floor. Understood? So this will come 90 degree because since lamp and man are perpendicular to surface. So 90 degrees coming. Now in both the triangle, big and small, angle D is common. So we'll say angle ADB is equal to angle EDC. Done? That is common. So that means what? Both the triangles are what? Both the triangles are similar. Understood? So this question holds good with similarity first. Understood? So now how we are going to write this part as we will say triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECD. If triangles are similar by case of angle, then sides will become proportional. So this triangle, this big triangle ABD and this putty triangle ECD, we can say AB is proportional to EC. And then bottom part BD will be proportional to CD. That's it. So when somebody will be asking you BD proportional to CD, ayo mata. So now look at it. BD can be written as if this BC is X and this is Y. So we can say AB is how much? 8. And what you called this part is 1.6. Now what is BD? BD can be written as X plus Y. And what is CD? CD is Y. You have to solve like this first. You need to understand. Mansi, do it fast. So now look at 8y is equal to 1.6x and then plus 1.6y. So this part x and y, so 8y minus 1.6y is equal to 1.6x. So 8 minus 1.6 will become how much, beta? It will become 0.4. And then if 8, from 8, 1 you have given 7, 7 minus 1 was 6.4y is equal to 1.6x. So definitely 6.4 by 1.6y is equal to x. So x is equal to 4y. X is coming as 4y. After that, what you are going to do? Ding, 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 ding. Then now we are going to differentiate it. Once you are differentiating, it will become what? Dx by dt is equal to 4 dy by dt. Now they're telling that rate any a man standing in the rate, he walks at a rate of this much point away. So definitely dx by dt. X is changing now. So dx by dt value substitute. Dx by dt is coming as 0.5. So dx by dt. So 1 by 4 into 0.5 is equal to dy by dt. What answer is coming? Check first. So dy by dt is equal to cut it will 10. So here it is coming as 1 by 8. So it will come 0.125 na? 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 125. 0.125 centimeter per second. This is the answer coming. Ha beta. Now answer came or not? Ama. Came na? Mistake you will do then how answer? Very good. Super. Keep it till here. Or we will go for next chapter. Yes, absolutely correct. Class will start by 3 minutes, just wait 3-4 minutes. I have to solve one more question for grade 10, and then only I will be sorry, one more question for grade 12, because this is a very important question. I can't skip that, because tomorrow I have to start maxima minima for them. You need to wait for some time, please. I request you people, just 2 to 3 minutes. I started late, please let me teach them, or otherwise 1 full hour I will cut from your class. Shall we go for the next one? This one understood na beta? See, with similar triangle concept, how easily it got solved. Correct na? So similar triangle concept coming means you will be able to solve this question in no time. Tomorrow what time? So tomorrow early school is there? What time you are coming? Okay. Okay. So we will be solving this question. Now let's go for this one. Last question. This question is a very good question. Please kindly try this question. Question is it little blurry? Come, Rika. Sit, I am coming. We need to wait for some time. Here is because of water, na? Rain water it is happening. Now look here. Please understand this one. A water tank has a shape of inverted right circular cone. I'm reading because the question is little hazy, but yes, it is readable. This is exactly the water tank inverted cone. Done. After that, what they are telling, vertical cone and vertex lowermost. So beta vertex point is coming as this part. After that, they are telling if semi-vertical angle is tan inverse 0.5. Boss, semi-vertical angle. So this semi-vertical angle, this angle is coming as what? Theta is equal to tan inverse 0.5. Note down. Theta is equal to semi-vertical angle. Theta is coming as how much, beta? Tan inverse 0.5. After that, what next they are telling? See, the question is consisting water is poured into it at a constant rate of 5 cubic meter per minute. So water coming inside, water is poured into it. So water is poured into it means water is coming inside it. Got it? So where is water coming? Inside it. So when somebody will be talking about water is coming inside it, so what is the rate with which the water is coming inside it? 5 cubic meter per minute. So that means dV by dt, rate with which it is filling the and taking the shape of cone is 5 cubic meter per minute. Okay. Find the rate at which the level of water is rising. So here, if this is exactly the radius r and this is the height. Understood? So radius, height, this will become 90 and this will become angle theta. Very nicely checked. This question is not tough, but this question needs your assistance. Okay. Find the rate at which the level of water is rising at a constant depth of water of the tank is means height. When height is given as 10 meter. When height is given as 10 meter, then what will be the solution? Start solving this. See, here also they are only asking for, here also, if you are thinking, here they are not connected to radius. The entire slot is only for height change. Understood? So we have to be very clever. Now what they have given? Theta. Semi angle is only this. If total will be, kill me. God, very happy now. So much smile was $1,000,000 smile you gave. Gone. You are only going to see. This is exactly. This will be radius. I already caught the question. This is height. This is coming 90. This is theta. So theta semi angle they are telling. So here it will become theta is equal to tan inverse 0.5. So first we will shift this tan inverse. It will become tan theta is equal to 0.5. Now tan theta is perpendicular by base. So if we will take it as A, This part is A, this part is B, and this part is taken as C. So tan theta will become perpendicular by base. So here AB by AC is equal to 0.5 means decimal cut means 10 will come. So AB by AC. So AB is what? AB is radius. So radius by height is equal to 1 by 2. After cancellation 1 by 2 will come. So radius will be h by 2. Done. Radius is coming as how much? H by 2. Once you have written radius is equal to h by 2, now volume you have to treat with. So what is the volume? Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi. Radius is what? Radius is h by 2. So h by 2 into h by 2 into h. So here volume is equal to pi 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 h cube. So now here dv by dt is equal to pi by 12 into 3h square dh by dt. But nothing big we have to do here, nothing big, only till there. So they have just twisted this part only, angle, because water is filling now. So height change only will occur. So now here this and this will get cancelled. dv by dt is equal to pi by 4 into, they told that when the depth is 10, so here it will become 100 into dh by dt. Now it's time to put volume change. Volume change is 5 cubic meter. So here 5 is equal to pi by 400, pi by 100 pi by 4 into dh by dt. So 4 5s are 20 by 100 pi is equal to dh by dt. So this and this will get cancelled. So dh by rate of change of height is 1 by 5 pi centimeter per minute or second. Sorry, meter per 1 by 5 pi meter per minute. Unit is meter per minute. So 1 by 5 pi meter per minute. Now you can change pi value, but this is the final answer. This is the correct answer. 1 by 5 pi. This brings the end of rate measures. Rate measures maximum question, maximum to maximum. Na, they will ask like this. Understood? Maximum rate measures will come. Sanjay, it is going to start now only, beta. Okay, I'm going to start now. Okay, yes, we'll wrap it up. Tomorrow I'm keeping class also. Tomorrow, what time you are returning from school? 6. Then after 6:30 only I'll keep. Okay. Today I got fever, yeah. So only I stopped. Otherwise, you know that I'm not going to stop. Little bit fever was there. Okay. Thank you so much, Peter. This is a big help for me right now.